Hello everyone, today we will see how to download Kali Linux and use software capable of locating a device. To download Kali Linux, go to the link in the description and follow my steps. Choose whether to use a virtual machine or boot it via the installer image. I chose virtual machine because I want to use the system through VMware. Now, wait for the file to download. Extract the file and open VMware. Select Open a virtual machine and choose the *.vmx file. Now select Edit Virtual Machine Settings to modify the RAM or the processor cores allocated to the system. Start the virtual machine and wait. Username, Kali. Password, Kali. Welcome to Kali Linux. Now, open Firefox and search the web for Hound GitHub. Alternatively, check the link in the description. Open the website and then open the terminal. Now, copy the commands into the terminal, one by one, just like I am doing. Press Y and then enter. Now, copy the direct link and send it to a friend. Now, your friend have to open the link and ask him to select Allow during site visit. You can see the GPS slot long information on the terminal. You can also open the Google Maps link to see exactly where your friend is located. As you can see, we know our friend's location. If you like this type of video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.